Hello students, welcome back to our online class. So this time we are going to study our third lesson. So we are going to study describing the events. Okay? How do we describe the events? How are we going to identify the correct events? Okay? So this time we are going to listen to some conversation. Okay, let's warm up. So we are going to listen to the conversation and check the correct picture. Okay? We are going to exercise our listening skills. Are you ready, students? Okay, let's begin. As you see, we have pictures here. We have picture A, picture B, and picture C. Okay? I am going to play an audio and you will identify the correct picture. Understand? Okay, let's listen.
See you, Andy.
Yeah, bye. Hey, Andy. Hill, who was that? Is that your... No, no. That's my cousin. Your cousin? Yeah, yeah, my cousin. Does she live around here? Yeah, pretty close. Where does she live? Uh, she lives in the city. She lives in the city? What does she do? She goes to school. She's a university student. A student? What does she study? Psychology. Psychology? What year is she in? Uh, she's a first year student. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's the conversation. Do you understand them? Okay, I am going to play it again. Okay, for the second time.
See you, Andy.
Yeah, bye. Hey, Andy. Hill, who was that? Is that your... No, no. That's my cousin. Your cousin? Yeah, yeah, my cousin. Does she live around here? Yeah, pretty close. Where does she live? Uh, she lives in the city. She lives in the city? What does she do? She goes to school. She's a university student. A student? What does she study? Psychology. Psychology? What year is she in? Uh, she's a first year student. Oh, yeah. Okay, now we are going to identify the conversation. So, class, what do you think is the correct picture here? Can you show me? Is it picture A, picture B, or picture C? Okay, so as you observe, they are three people. Okay, we have three persons in the conversation. Now, what is the correct answer? Okay, very good. The correct picture is, okay, picture B. Okay, you got it. Very good. That's how you identify the conversation when you listen. Okay? So, good job. Okay, so this time, class, you are going to identify what are they doing, And where are they? Okay, so the same picture. So this time, I want you to analyze or imagine what are they doing and where are they? Okay? So let's exercise your describing ability. Okay, don't worry. So it's up to you. How are you going to describe the picture? Okay, just to make sure that your description is related to the picture. Okay, so let's find out. So this is just an example, okay? If you are going to ask me, so this is how I describe this picture. Okay? We have picture A, picture B, and picture C. Okay, let's find or let's begin with the picture A. So what do you see or what can you see in the picture? What do you think are they doing? Where do you think are they? Okay, very good. So picture A. So what do? They are knowing each other. Okay, as you see, they are talking each other and maybe they're having fun. Okay, so for example, as you look at the picture, they are having fun and they are knowing each other. Okay, that's what they do. And then, where are they? Okay, they are at the park. All right. Okay, do you understand? Okay, so let's proceed to letter B. How about the picture B? What are they doing? And where are they? Okay, imagine where are they and what they do or what do they do? What do you think, class? Okay, so picture B is they are talking about the girl. Okay, so when you observe the picture, it's obviously they are talking about the girl. Okay, so what else? What do you think? Okay, in our activity, you're going to describe the picture. Okay, what else? Where are they? The picture B, where are they? Okay, imagine they are at the school. Okay, it's up to you. How are you going to describe them? Okay, now let's proceed with picture C. What are they doing? What do you think, class? And where are they? Okay, so for example, they're having a coffee break. Okay, where are they? So they are at the coffee shop. Okay, do you understand, class? How to describe the picture? Okay, so that's so simple. Okay, for our activity next time, I am going to present some picture and you are about to describe it. Okay, so simple. Okay, so let us listen again to the conversation and circle the best answer. Okay, we will study their conversation. Okay, are you ready, class? Okay, I will play again the audio. Listen carefully.
See you, Andy.
Yeah, bye. Hey, Andy. Here. Who was that? Is that your... No, no. That's my cousin. Your cousin? Yeah, yeah, my cousin. Does she live around here? Yeah, pretty close. Where does she live? Uh, she lives in the city. She lives in the city? What does she do? She goes to school. She's a university student. A student? What does she study? Psychology. Psychology? What year is she in? Uh, she's a first year student. Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's answer. According to the conversation, number one, she is Andy's. What's the answer? Letter A, girlfriend. B, colleague. Or letter C, relative. Okay, so according to the conversation, she is Andy's. Okay, letter C. She is Andy's relative. Okay, so if you understood the conversation, if you listen carefully, they are cousins. Okay, that's why she is Andy's relative. Okay, now what about number two? She will graduate, letter A, next year, B, in another 3 or 4 years, or letter C, with Andy. What do you think is the correct answer? Okay, if you really understood the conversation, she will graduate when? According to the conversation? Okay, according to the conversation, she is a first year student, right? Okay, so the answer is letter B. Okay, in another 3 or 4 years, since she is a first year student. Okay, next, number three. She studies, letter A, about science, B, about people, or letter C, about the earth. What is the correct answer, class? Okay, according to the conversation, what does she study? Okay, so she is studying psychology. So psychology is about what? About science, about people, or about the earth? Okay, so psychology is about people. All right. Okay, so that's how we listen to the conversation. Okay, class? Next meeting, we are going to continue listening in the conversation. Okay, so that you can enhance and exercise your listening skills. Okay, so that's our lesson for today, and I hope you have now the strategy or the way how are you going to understand the conversation when you listen to the conversation. Okay, so we will continue again next meeting. Okay, so we will see you again next class. Students, goodbye.